Alright, so I got the short block for the Camaro board 30 over, and it has been sitting on this pallet, wrapped up under this box, double layer tarps, towed on top of it, some other stuff. It has been outside this entire time since I ordered this short block in 2015. It is now 2021. All the parts are together. Kids in school. I'm at home today. I've unwrapped the other saran wrap in the top part of the box. This is the first time I'm going to see it. I started to slit it. I'm going to slit it open. I'm going to see what the crankcase looks like. I'm going to see just how bad it ends up being. I've got some parts out, timing chain cover. I got the oil pan. Let's see what she looks like all these years outside. Let's see how bad it is. Ooh, this is going to be kind of hard. I did flip it over and looked at the bores, and they didn't look rusted. It on some of my brother's cigarette butts. That's nice. It's always good flavor. They wrapped it up really good. I don't see some flash rusting on plastic, which means something has to have gotten. All right. Without further ado, "7 years. Thanks now. Okay, so first thing is they didn't put the correct main caps on it. So I'm gonna have to take a couple of them off. Valley plugs. Okay. Throw this adapter on. Alright, these plugs, they painted it black. So I will have to clean up the crank snout. These main caps, there's a long time to be sitting in the weather. Granted, it was covered up, probably over covered, but they oiled it good. There's no rust except for my sweat dripping. I'll clean up the deck. I have to get the timing chain and cover on. Spilled the transmission fluid. Alright. See? Don't mind this old block. I need this main cap, and I need this main cap. Because they didn't put the correct studs in there to put the tray in the bottom of it.